Hi, I'm Amit from Nimble Foundation. I'm back with you again to cover another presentation on phrasal verbs. In today's presentation, we are going to cover the following set of phrasal verbs: grow up, hang up or hang up something, have something on, or have got something on. Now let us first look at the phrasal verb grow up. As I've mentioned before, the best way to consider the proper use of phrasal verbs is by making your own sentences. Examples using the phrasal verb grow up are: when we were growing up, we would spend summer holidays in Shimla. He grew up in a village, so it was difficult for him to adjust to city life. Ratan was extremely naughty as a child, but now he has grown up to be a responsible young man. You must grow up. Stop being so childish. Now let us continue the presentation and look at the second phrasal verb, hang up or hang up something. Examples are: she was talking nicely, but I don't know what happened. Suddenly she said goodbye and hung up. You must not suddenly hang up during a telephonic conversation. She implored, don't hang up on me. I need to talk to you in detail. As soon as I hung up, the bell rang again. The final phrasal verb for this presentation is have something on or have got something on. Examples using this phrasal verb are: it was indeed unusual. She did not have any makeup on. Did you see her in the new white dress? She had it on yesterday. He could not read the newspaper. He did not have his reading glasses on. Now I am going to be back with you to cover another presentation on phrasal verbs and to discuss other subjects in the English language. Until then, thanks for watching.